last. Oh! And epic! Oh! And, oh my God! Oy, 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 akin yan! And epic. Oh my God! What's up mga idol? Nandito na naman tayo para magbukas ng panibagong booster box, and this time, we'll be opening the Riftbound Origins booster box. Nang nag-check kasi kami sa nearest LGS namin, which is the neutral grounds sa district. Eh meron silang stock ng first wave na Origins. So, hindi na namin pinalampas to. Kumuha na kami ng isang box kasi syempre, andito lahat halos ng mga playable cards talaga. So ayan, simulan na natin buksan to. Let's do this! Pero bago natin buksan, syempre, pa-bless muna natin kay Ho-Oh and kay Meowth para lang makakuha tayo ng mga top pulls, mga top chases natin. So habang binubuksan ko tong box na to, syempre sabihin na natin mga top chases natin. Isa na doon, ang Teemo Overnumber. Yan, kasi meron akong Teemo deck dito and gusto ko makakuha ng overnumbered niya na legend. And hindi lang yun, syempre yung mga kailangan niyang mga cards. Medyo marami rin kasi siyang kailangan dito sa Origins na set. So ayan, nabuksan na natin. Yun o. Grabe siya. So, buksan natin. At susundan natin, as usual, syempre, susundan natin yung kwento. Titignan natin kung maganda-ganda ba ang makukuha natin mula sa booster box na to.
Gusto rin natin ng Ari overnumber dyan.
Syempre, yan. Minention na ni Pia, syempre, gusto niya yung overnumber na Ari. Hindi nga lang overnumber, signature. Let's hope na makapull tayo ng signature
Kahit
card.
anong signature.
Yeah, kahit anong signature, sa totoo lang. Para lang maging masaya tayo lahat. So, ito, first pack mga idol. Syempre, bago natin buksan, bless muna. Bless muna kay Ho-Oh. Kay Meowth, kay Ho-Oh. Alright, first pack. Let's see. Tingnan natin. Uy, ang hirap ng buksan. Bakit ang hirap nito buksan?
Ba't hindi mo ginagamit yung ano?
Yung tier. Kasi meron din to, butas-butas dito. Kaya makikita niyo mga idol. Meron silang parang hose guide. Pwede niyo silang buksan. Ganyan. Ganon. Ganon niya mga idol. Alright, lagyan muna natin dyan. Sige.
Nabel.
Okay. Rune card, order. So, itatabi natin yung mga playables na gusto natin makuha dito. Uy, mga...
Oro.
Hindi na natin i-mention yan. Tatabi na natin yung mga magiging usable na rin. Confront. Uy, Stealthy Pursuer bago. Ooh, I maybe move with it. Nice.
Ooh!
Okay, Vanguard Captain. Okay, Raven Bloom Student. Spoils of War. Uy, Gust. Foil pa na Gust ha. Ayos ha. Tabi natin yan. Uy, Blind Fury. Skill to the Tryndamere. And last. Oh! Alt art kagad, Miss Fortune! You may play me to an open battlefield. Friendly units may be played to open battlefields. Grabe! Hit ka agad, mga idol. Our first hit, Miss Fortune. This is an alt art and it's Miss Fortune. Sayang. Sayang. Gusto ko pa naman yung kay Teemo na alt art yan. Yan, grabe na. First pack kagad, Paldo. Panalo kagad. Grabe. Alam nyo na. Alam nyo na yan, mga idol. Yung pangitain natin, syempre. Kapag umpisa pa lang maganda na yung mga nakukuha. Alam nyo na yan. Okay, Rune. Uy, order na naman. Let's see. Uy, parang may something yan. Uy, ito, Clockwork Keeper. Kailangan ito para sa Master Yi deck. Disintegrate, yan. Kay Annie. Ito, Watchful Sentry, playable to. Ooh! Hidden Blade. Yan, another playable. Ooh, First Mate, playable ulit. Uy, Gust. Another Gust, playable. Uy, yan! Call of the Week. I need that. Pirate's Haven. I don't know. Monastery of Hirana. Ay, ito para sa set. Pwede sa set. Uy, Portal Rescue. Pwede. Uy, foiled na Confront. Up! Mind Splitter! Alright, Mind Splitter, paldo sa deck, and... Epic! Oh! Dazzling Aurora! Oh shit, one of the top hits! Oh my gosh, love! At the end of your turn, reveal cards from the top of your main deck until you reveal a unit. Play it, ignoring its cost, and recycle the rest. Oh my god! We hit the Dazzling Aurora sa set na to. Oh my gosh!
No way!
Yan pa lang panalo na tayo.
Oh my
Panalo na tayo sa box na to. Alright, let's go. Third pack. Oh, yes. Isa yan sa mga gusto ko ma-pull dito sa set na to. Okay, buff. Buff. Recruit. Okay, ito wala nang hit dito. Pero let's hope maganda yung rare. Ito, Eager Apprentice. Ooh, ayan na. Ayan na mga charm. Nakakuha na tayo. Ayan na, ready na. Oy, challenge. Another playable. Undercover Agent. Ay, Stormclover sign yung sa Mastery na deck. Ayun, Bundle 3. Para sa team natin. Wallop, pwede. Uy, Sprite Call. Na foil, ayos ah. Ooh, Miss Fortune. Ito yung Buccaneer na Miss Fortune. And last, Mage Seeker Warden. Alright. Okay lang yan. Okay lang yan kahit
Nice
wala tayo.
art.
Oh, ang ganda ng mga art eh, no? Fourth pack, mga idol. Alright. Let's see. Okay. Buff and the recruit. We got, uy, parang may something. Para may something yan. Meditation. Pautiporo, pwede yan. Jeweled Colossus, oy, challenge, another playable. Uy, Morbid Return, another playable. Uy, isa pa to, Forge of the Future para sa Lux deck. Pitruki, Scrapyard Champion na to. Pwede, pero next time na yan. Uy, Solary Chief. Nagre-reflect yung ilaw. Poro Herder, Windwall, Foil, Last Stand. Wow, Last Stand and Draven na Showboat. Okay, Draven na Showboat. 5th pack mga idol. So, ayan. Medyo matigas siya buksan ha. Feeling ko yung mga matitigas, may mga hits dun eh. Parang ano lang. Uy, may legend sa ano. Fury. May legend sa pinakauna. Ay, sa first na rare. Okay, Pit Crew. Toron Prison. Sky Splitter. Ayan, pwede. Oy, Rebuke. Ayan, isa sa mga magagandang playable cards. Ayan, Dune Drake. Uy, ito yun, 45 possession, yung sa Proving Grounds. Diba? Uy, ito, Thermobeam. Playable yan. Ito, isa pang playable. Ooh, look lang mo, Falling Star. Wait, this is our first foil. Then hit yung likod. Okay, first foil. Okay, Ari Legend, Ari Legend, Ari Legend, and... Oh my God! Oh my God! Baited hook! Oh my gosh! Oh my God, balik na yung box natin. Parang Dazzling Aurora lang to, pero para sa order. Kill a friendly unit, look at the top 5 cards of your main deck. You may play a unit from among them that has might up to 1 more than the killed unit. Ignoring its cost, then recycle the rest. Oh my gosh. Ito talaga masasabi ko. Sa Origins, dun talaga yung mga grabe yung ano, like grabe yung gears. Grabe yung gears. Ang ganda na synergy ng Baited Hook kay LeBlanc kasi ang legend ability ni LeBlanc is pwede niya yung gawing reflective token ang isang unit na meron siya. Tapos yung reflective unit token na yon is gagamitin niya para mamatay gamit dito sa Baited Hook. Ay yung mga units na meron siya is usually may death knell pa na trigger. So, grabe, paldo talaga. Alright, Chaos Rune. Let's see. Legend na naman daw sa pangalawa. Legend daw sa pangalawa. Uy, Defy! Our first Defy!
Let's go!
We got that. We're getting... Uy, ay, 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 ay! Oy, 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 oy! Akin yan! Uy, uy, uy! Akin yan! Akin yan! May darating naman tayong Defy bukas eh. Sprite Call. Ito, Find Your Center. To then draw to. Na Cruel Patron. Okay, Confront. Playable to. Right. Mushroom Pouch. Cute ah. Mountain Drake. Pangit. Okay. Uy, Lavo. First foil natin is... Ooh, Hand of Noxus, Darius na Legend. Let's go. That's a good one. And last legend is, ooh, Lee Sin Centered. All right. We're still at 6 pack. 6 pack pa lang. Or 7. I think 7 pack and 17 packs pa mga idol. Grabe, bawing-bawi na talaga yung box. Oh my gosh. This is another great box. Ooh, ang ganda pa na nakuha natin doon. The buff. All right. Buff, recruit. Then, On Guard kay Fiora. Playable. Ooh, Cleave. Playable. Uy, Stupefy. Grabe, puro playable. Wilder of Water, pwede din. Mystic Poro. Uy, ayan, Daring Poro. Daring Poro, pwede, pwede. Flare Blades. Oh. Friendly buff units have deflect. Uy, ito, Retreat. Ayan, playable to. Oh, yes, ito rin. Nice. Foil natin is Pack of Wonders. Grabe, maganda to. Mistfall. Okay. Mistfall. And then last is Heimerdinger. Alright. Maganda. Maganda yung foil natin. Maganda yan para sa Pike deck. Nagbabala kasi ako bumuo ng Pike deck. Ang duga ng Pike, mga idol, grabe. Like, hindi siya maduga pala, pero sobrang nakakairita siyang kalaban. Yan ang masasabi ko. So, kung may Pike ako, di ba, gagagawin ko lang yung mga kalaban natin. Alright. This is a rune. Okay. Mind rune. Okay. Okay, wala pa mga legend. Wala pa. Blazing Scorcher. Pit Crew. Ito, Clockwork Keeper, playable to eh. Pati itong Get Excited. Pwede, no? Pwede. Ito, Cannon Barrage. Nasa Mastery deck. Uy. Ay, the Siren. Ito, move a friendly unit at a battlefield to your base. pang-uwi. Pang-uwi mo siya. Ayun, ito, Mask of Foresight. Kailangan to sa Mastery. Meditation of Foil. Echo. And... Siphon Power! Oh my gosh, itong ano. We already got this. This is our 3rd epic, mga idol. So, let's see kung ilang epics pa ang makukuha natin mula sa box na to. I hope marami pa. And I hope may over-number dito. I feel like meron. Okay, what's this? Body Rune. Alright, mukhang wala dito. Mukhang epic ulit to. Blazing Score. Uy, ito, Consult the Past. Very playable. Grabe, ano to mga idol? Banned na card yan.
Yeah, that's banned.
It's a banned card right now.
Para sana kay Annie.
Pero wala. It's banned eh. So,
Why Annie?
not Annie. Like kahit saan. Maganda siya. Ito, Shipyard Skulker. Walang kwenta yan. Uy, ito, Star Strip Peak. That pala, di na ako bumili. Oh, yes! Unyielding Spirit. Highly playable. Ooh, Treasure Trove! This one as well. Uy, Morbid Return na foil. Okay. Oh my God! Harness Dragon! Another good one. And Solar Shrine. Hindi ko na ulit alam kung pang ilang pack na to. Nalulus tayo sa ano natin lagi. Okay, let's see if black. Let's see if black. We wanna see black at the end. Okay, not black. No blacks at the end. Uy, Consult to Pass, playable. Rune Prison might be playable, pero sa ngayon, wag muna. Magma Worm. Okay. Ito, playable din to eh. Bilgewater Bully. Ano to? Ha? Wag na. Ooh! Stock deck!
Oh my gosh!
Oh my gosh!
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Relax.
Oh my God!
Relax.
Oh my gosh!
Balmos Lair. Yan, kailangan natin yan for ano. Facebreaker. Ayoko niya. Ito Whirlwind na foil. Ang ganda. Whirlwind. Dishonor's Hand. Okay, Grand Stratagem and Tide Turner! Another playable! Another playable! Tide Turner! Yes, kailangan mo to, love. Para sa Vex mo, maganda yan.
Stack deck is very expensive.
It's very expensive, guys. Yun nga, panalo na. Wala na.
Common.
It's a common card and it costs like 500. So, sana makarami tayo stack deck dito sa booster box na to.
No, 500 is the pinaka
The cheapest, no? Yeah. Yun nga eh. Grabe kasi yung stack deck, mga idol. It's gonna be fine. Alright? Kapag ka may black sa dulo, I think yun na yun. Okay, no blacks yet. No blacks yet. Ooh, but I saw something. Okay, Noxus Hopeful, pwede to, actually. Mega Mech. Stand United. Buffer-friendly unit. Parang kay ano to? Parang kay Shen. Ito, Soaring Scout. Ooh, Mobilize. Yeah, pwede. Morbid Return. Daring Poro, pwede. Raging Soul. Ooh, Symbol of the Solary. Recall. Okay. Oh, yeah. Yeah, there's something at the back. Reinforce. Reinforce. Ooh, Kane. Alright, our first rare. Ooh, Ari Alluring. And last, this might be an epic. It's an epic. Yasuo Wind Rider. Wow, the third time I move in a turn, you score 1 point. Pangilang epic na natin. The fourth epic natin is si Yasuo, mga idol. Oh my gosh. We still haven't pulled an over number or a signature card, pero let's see, mga idol. Sige, para kay Pia. Dito na natin bubuksan. Para.
Yeah. What is that?
Okay, Watchful Sentry. Let's see. Uy! Hindi. Okay, ano yan? Fury Rune. Wala pang legend sa dulo. Pag may legend sa dulo, mga idol, alam niyo na. Sunlit Guardian. To Chemtech Enforcer, ginagamit nila to para sa Jinx. Uy, Smokes rin ito. Sobrang helpful niyan sa mga blues. Me na Doomdrake. Psy Scout, love.
Uy, Psy Scout.
Para sa Ani deck. Tinatanggal nila yan eh. Ang laki ng kuskas.
Yeah.
Catalyst of Ions. Yan. Highly playable yan. Unguard the foil. That looks so nice.
Ooh.
Okay, Yasuo. Oh no, Yasuo. And lastly, Vayne! Oh, look at Vayne! Wow, kompleto na yung Vayne ko para sa Vi deck ko eh. Pero,
I hate
alam yan. Alright, next pack mga idol. Alright, no hits there. Let's just see. Let's just go. Continue opening some packs. And kapag black yung dulo, alam nyo na. Oh no!
Oh no. That's why.
Hindi, no. Hindi pa black yung dulo.
Babam.
Okay, Mind Rune. Black yung pangalawa, which is, it's a legend. Oy, Riptide Rex! Power cost. Solary. Yan. Sprite Call. Another Sprite Call. Pitruki, playable yan. Uy, back to back.
Oh.
Ganda yan.
Kaya.
Spectral Metron. Ano to? Targon's Peak. When you conquer here, ready 2 runes at the end of this turn. Ooh! That's a good one.
I want that.
Okay, Dangerous Duo. Stand United of Foil. Uy! Alright, Daughter of... Oh my God, may Kaisa pa pala dito. Alright, Daughter of the Void and... Rare. Anivia! When I attack, deal 3 to all enemy units here. Alright, next pack. Mga idol, next pack. Let's open some packs here. That's a good open. Let's see the back. It's a legend. It's gotta be an altar or an epic sa likod. Yeah, Cleave, syempre. Lecturing Yordle. When you play me, draw 1. Yes, Charm! Soaring Scout, pwede yan. Pitruki, playable. Gas again. Jebrasir, hindi yan. Block! What? Pwede.
Oh, I want
Big
that.
Guardian. Ay, bundle 3 na foil. Okay, ito na. Ito na tayo sa 2 rares natin. Okay, Volibear. And then last, ano to? Ay, hindi, yun na pala.
Yun yung last.
Yun na pala yun. Okay, yun na pala yun. Bakit? Bundle 3. Okay.
Oh, God damn.
Okay. Volibear.
Kung dalawang legend, no, sa isang pack.
I think wala atang ganun dito sa Origins. Sa Unleash lang may ganun. Bastos na Unleash yan. Dalawang legend. Uy, Vanguard na naman. Let's see. It is black. No. It's not. Okay, Vanguard, playable. Get excited, playable yan. Orb of Regret. Playful Phantom, napakapangit. Uy, Arena Bar, playable. Psy Scout, pwede din. Petty Officer. No, uy, eto,
Traveling Merchant.
Ito yung Trifarian Warcamp, oh. Trifarian Warcamp.
Adaptation.
Adaptatron, ito, playable. Ooh, Foil Singularity. Oh, that looks nice. That's a playable. Okay, Ava Achiever and Albus Feroz.
What is that?
Sino yan? Grabe, wala pang Timo! Alright, ito na. Dito na tayo nanganganib. Nanganganib na ba tayo mga idol dahil di pa tayo nakakahit ng overnumber? Yan nga, ibe-bless na nga natin. Yan pala. Iisip ko na. Bless mo na, ho. Let's see. Let's hope. Sana may signed card dyan. Meowth, come here. Sign, baby. Give us a signed card.
Give us a sign.
Give us a signed card. Give us a signed card. Okay, let's see. No. Sprite. Masyadong kabado. Oy! Alt-art siya. Sky Splitter. Riptide Rex. Clockwork Keeper, playable. Vanguard Captain. Ito, Paka Club, pwede to. Fighter Flight, pasensya ka na, paalam ka.
Uy, wala na siya.
Hindi siya, Ito, Nokusu Saboteur, pwede to. Pwede. Uy, Scrap Heap! Ayan, when this is played, discarded, or killed, draw one. Ano yan?
Victor!
Okay, Victor, first foil natin. Okay, mukhang may epic or altar tayo sa likod. Victor. Yes! Set! Alright, nakabili na ako nito pero maganda na meron tayo lagi. And, epic. Woo! My God! Kaisa epic! No love! Ito na yun! 3-6 to! Damn! Baliktaya na tayo. Oh my God. Baliktaya na. Oh my God. Those hits are amazing. Oh my gosh. Grabe yung bliss. Grabe yung bliss. Kaisa? Wala na. Balik na yung presyo ng box. Doon pa lang. Hindi pa counted yung playables tas yung mga rares.
Teka, meron pa
Grabe,
si Ari
ang dami
na
pa.
alt-art.
Meron pang Ari na, no? Signed. May Ari na sign pa yan. Grabe ko may Ari na sign dito, mga idol.
I want the Ari alt-art, actually.
Uy, ayun na ato. Epic yun. Parang epic yun. Tautiporo. Right, Stupefy. Flurry of Blades ulit. Fateful Manufacturing Sagarin. Crackshot Corsair. When I attack, deal 1 to an enemy unit here.
May not so fast ba dito?
Sa Spirit Forge yun, not so fast eh. Zone Waters. Dangerous Duo. Uy, ayun! Finally, Timo. Alright, Timo. Tarik. Oh, yan, Tarik. Maganda rin yan. Okay, epic. I think this is an epic. Oh, yeah, it's an epic. Ooh! Seal of Insight! Oh, nice!
Ooh!
Alright, so yan, maganda yan. Add power yan eh, maganda yan.
Oh wait, I like it. Zero siya?
Yeah, zero siya.
And
tapos,
you just gotta exhaust it?
Exhaust mo lang siya. Gear siya, love. Yan. May mga ganito talaga. Seal of Insight. Pero pang blue to eh. Okay, ilang epics ito? 1, 2. Oh no, 6 epics na mga idol. Puro alt arts na lang yung di pa natin napupull. Oh no. Can we pull an over number or signed in this box? Let's see. We gotta bless every pack na.
Okay.
We gotta bless every pack na. And also, mga idol, isang Defy pa lang napupull natin. Isang stack deck. Dalawang Defy na ba?
Yeah.
Check mo nga dyan sa playables
Dalawang
natin.
Defy.
Well, we need 6.
I need Defy.
We need Defy. I need
Defy.
Okay, Fury Rune. Ang daming runes dito ah. Noxus Soulful, playable. Eager Apprentice. Playful Phantom. Yan, First Mate, playable. Ito kay Pia. Uy, ito Call the Week. Playable din. This one. Ito na, nasa uncommon. Uy, ito King Monk. Playable. Uy, yan, Salvage! Yan, playable yan. Okay, next. Foils. Ito na tayo sa Mistfall and... Ooh, yes! Nocturne! Alright! Another playable for me sa aking Timo deck. Yan yung mga hinahangad ko talaga makuha. Ilang packs pa. Wait, we gotta bless it. Bless it.
Uy, may retreat.
Bless it. Yeah. Bless. Bless them out. Alright, let's go. Let's hope na sana may signed card dito, mga idol. Let's see.
Please.
Kapag black talaga yung dulo, yun na yun. Okay, black yung dulo. Oh my
no.
God. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Ito
Oh my
na
God.
yun. Oh my God. Ito na yun. Ito na yun. Legion. Lecturing Yordle. Find your center. Find your Firefly. Soaring Scout, playable. Confront, pwede din. Uy, Energy Conduit. Pwede to. Windswept Lock. Fading Memories. Okay, Daring Poro. Shakedown. And Timo, Swift Scout. Pwede pala yun. Pero first time pala natin makita yun ha, na black yung likod. Okay, pinapakaba na tayo. Pinapakaba na tayo ng mga packs na to. Pinapakabanatayan. Dito na eh. Grabe sa dulo pa talaga nilagay yung mga ganun, yung sa dulo yung black. Okay, tingnan natin kung black ulit. Okay, it's not black, but it is an alt art. Nope. Body rune. Right, I think, oh no. It's an epic again. Watchful Sentry. Sige, tuloy-tuloy lang. Dire-diretso lang tayo. Okay, yan, kailangan ko yan. Back to back, playable din. Mobilize, pwede din. Ito, Grove of the Willow. Grabe, wala pa rin yung iba na kailangan ko.
Defy.
Vanguard Helm, Foil, Party Favors, and Jinx Demolitionist. Alright, ilang packs pa mga idol? 4 packs pa! Oh no, we still haven't pulled an alt art and an overnumbered or signed. I think set na yung epics natin, pero let's see kung set na ba. Bless muna natin. And bless. Alright, last 4 packs. Mga idol, let's see. Wala pa tayong alt art rune na nakukuha.
Alt art.
Alt art rune, wala pa. Ito na ba yun? Oh yun! Ito na nga! Chaos rune!
Yes!
Ayun! Chaos rune.
Chaos rune.
Gusto ko to Chaos rune. Alright, that's a hit. That's mine!
Next.
Okay, smoke screen. Playing it right now, pero it's mine.
Oh, sorry.
Uy, sneaky deckhand. Siyempre, playable yan. Paka Club, pwede din. Uy, Ember Monk. Playable. Imperial Decree. Alright. Uy, Void Gate. Kailangan ni Pia to. Blast Cone Fae. Okay, foil na mapa. Ooh! Sabotage! Damn! This costs a lot. And we pulled it. Oh yes, I need this too. I need this in my deck. And sa set deck. And last, Promising Future. Yeah, that's a nice one. Alright. Oh my gosh, okay. Alt art natin, dalawa na ang napupull na alt art. There has to be something at the last packs. Oh my
Isang
god.
defy lang pala.
Yun nga, sabi sa'yo, isa pa lang eh.
Dalawang charm.
And there has to be something at the last pack, mga idol.
Defy.
Please, grabe ang daming commons and we couldn't get another like second Defy or second stack deck, mga idol. Ganun ba talaga? Okay, recruit.
Stack, deck, or defy.
Okay, ito. Orb of Regret. Wielder of Water. Yan, mga hindi playable sa hand, Gust. Pero we need more like Defy and everything, mga idol.
Morbid Return.
Ito, Noxian Drummer. Wag na. Iron Ballista. Okay. Uy!
Oh!
What's that? What was that?
saw something.
I saw something as well.
I saw something.
Legion Ranger. Foil. Blind Monk. And
No.
alt art. It's an alt art. Oh, yes! Darius Trifarian! Yes! I need this Darius Trifarian. Pero it's an alt art. Oh no, we didn't pull a signed or an over number.
I'm not
Oh
sure
man.
yet.
I think so. We'll still need to bless. Last 2 packs, mga idol. Let's just hope na may Defy dito. Stack deck. Alam niyo yun, mga idol. Sana may ganun. Sana may stack deck pa. Di ba? Like, kailangan pa namin yun eh.
Wala na bang chance?
Medyo slim na yung chance. Body rune.
Oo.
Hindi, yung mga stack deck, yun sana meron pa. Ayun!
Oh, yung Defy!
Pangalawang Defy,
Let's
finally.
go!
Finally, pangalawang Defy. Eager Apprentice. Ayan, Call to Glory. Another playable. Ayun, ito, Ride the Wind. Bakit parang ngayon lang lumabas tong Ride the Wind na to? Ayan, Acceptable Losses, yan. Ay, ito na, yung The Arena's Greatest, yung magkakascore kayo kaagad.
Oh,
Uy, ayun! Ngayon lang din lumabas ng Discipline. Ba yan, Foil? Leona, and last, Converge Imitation. Alright! Last pack, mga idol. Ito na. Last pack, mga idol. Sa tingin nyo ba may sign dito or may over number? Let's see. Let's see, mga idol. Clear out natin to. Clear out natin. Tingnan natin kung may sign dito or may over number. Last pack.
let's go.
Okay. Oh no, it's nothing.
You saw?
Yeah. It's nothing. And sana naman may playables pa rin dito. Ayun, Hidden Blade. Flurry of Blades. Yan, Rebuke, playable. Wizened Welder. Sprite Mother, playable din. Ayun, Pitruki na foil. Overt Operation and Kaisa Evolutionary. Alright, we didn't hit an over number or a signed card, pero grabe. Paldo pa rin. Paldo pa rin sa hits, mga idol. Let's just check. For our first epic, we have the Seal of Insight. Magkano rin to? Siyempre, the Kaisa. God damn, we got the Kaisa.
Damn.
Yasuo. Ito, wala eh. May Yasuo eh. Nakakuha tayo eh. And Siphon Power, ito yung mga lesser valued na epics dito. And Baited Hook. Siyempre, paldo. Baited Hook, paldo na tayo dito. And sa Dazzling Aurora, yan, isa pa yan, paldo na tayo dyan. Para naman sa mga alt arts, we started out with the Misfortune Buccaneer. And then, the Darius Trifarian, which I think gagamitin ko na. Hindi mo lang ako nakakuha ng rare nito. And then, lastly, is the Chaos Rune Alt Art. Yan. So, yeah. Those are the hits. Satisfied naman ako sa mga nakuha ko. Balik taya. Actually, sobra-sobra na nga to sa kung magkano natin siya binili. Dito pa lang sa mga cards na to balik na talaga yung pera natin. So, yan mga idol. Maraming salamat. Hopefully, nag-enjoy kayo sa video na to. Kung nag-enjoy naman kayo sa video na to, mag-subscribe lang kayo sa channel at i-click ang notifications bell para lagi kayo updated sa mga bago nating upload. Ginagawa natin to every week. Yun lang mga idol. At see you sa next video. Bye-bye!